Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the daily candle, what it done here. By the way, it hasn't finished. And when it came here, the half of the day will be in here at the top of that one when the news came. But now, after the European market closed, people are starting going out. And that it's showing it will reject down. So that level here, it's still very stronger, guys. And I show you all those things before. Look at it here. That level of us, it's still very stronger. Till now we couldn't even break it, as you see it, guys. And I show you all those things before. And the good news here, in that level where we are, there is no candle came yet. I'm breaking in the top of that inside bar, as we talking about before, or the down of it here. Also, we still here sideways, guys. And the market here, it giving us now, it's like a flag, guys. Now, either it need to break up here or to break down here. So till now, also we still sideways, guys. We don't know how long we're going to be there, but that one is a very good signal. What happened today, that candle will came like that and push like that. If it close like that, it's going to give us a very well-known pattern. His name, the Hangman or Morning Star, as you see it, guys. It happened here, that doji here. Then next to it, it came that green candle that indicating the market is going to reverse. But now that rejection will happen here. Let's hope that candle by the end is going to go higher. If it's not, if it came down more than that, more than 50%, because now, if you see it now, focus on only about that candle here. If you see it now, till now we are 50% of the candle as a shadow or as a tail here, as you see it in the top. If it came more than 50% down, it's going to become a hammer or an inverted hammer. And that indicating the market is going to fall down. So let's wait in the end of the daily to see what's going to happen, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you, my friend. You watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing exactly now, guys. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. And if you want to be notified more quicker, you need to join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, my friend. Go to it and join us in Telegram. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So, guys, why all that happening here? I'm going to show you. We go in here, guys, as you see it. What it came today? It came here in employment rate of USA. Yes or no? How much it came? It came 3.7, guys. And also what we said the Fed, the target is between 4 to 5%. That the target they want to the unemployment rate to reach to that level here. So that one here is a very good for the market. That way you saw all US stocks here. They are going up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. I want just a small summary, guys. When the daily candle finishes, I'm going to come back to you. I'm just going to see our indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when we be in here, at that level here, I told you it's showing something very nice. It show us, it reversed from that long-term trend us we've been following. By the way, that one also been followed from 2021. And as you see here, we break it up. Now it go back to test it again here. That one is a very good signal, guys. The only thing now, it's need to break for us the last high, which is here. That one, guys. If it break it here, you're going to see the Bitcoin going up to the overbought area, guys. And that's what all the people they still wait until now. Everything is too clear because it's need to give us a confirmation that one it's not a fake breakout. And that's what else we are waiting till now, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber, my friend. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and help us, my friend. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button now. It's not something hard. Just pause the video now. Go down, there is a thumbs up, smash it, down the net, write in a comment, done. It's a very small step from you, but it meant a lot to us. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. What else we said here in the 4 hours before? We said the market is giving us here a cup and a handle like that. If it's breaking down here, we will enter. Sure, did it break? No, my friend. And for the long, what we said? We said we got here a down channel like that. Like that, may I draw it for you? I told you if it's breaking up, we'll give you enter long. Where did it break? Here exactly. So from here till here, we'll give you enter, guys. And what did I told you about that level here? What did I told you about here? You can find it still in the last 2 videos, guys. I told you if the Bitcoin reach to that level here, that one here, try to protect yourself. Take some of the profit and move the stop loss up a little bit. That's what I told you. And now that's what it's showing, guys. It's showing here, that candle here, that one, the green one will finish. It's showing in that level. There is no power to break higher, guys. As you see, it came there, then it show you a big tail down. Yes, now there is another candle, but that one, it need to come up. And by the way, today is the end of the week, guys. So Saturday and Sunday, there is no big volume. So my view is going to stay here another week, guys. And here, what the Bitcoin giving us till now, guys, look at it. Here. And here, it gives us here a flag, guys. Yes or no? That flag, you can bring it from down till here. Now, if it's breaking, it's going to go more higher, guys. So all those things, they are bullish signal, guys. Yes or no? But it's need to break either up or to come to break down. So all those things, they are bullish signal, guys. That was me. I told you in the weekly candle. I told you, guys, you need to buy and to leave 50% backup. And when the weekly candle finishes, I'm going to tell you what to do by that 50% of the backup you left. Because in the weekly, we got some conditions. It's need to meet up for us to buy that 50%. If it doesn't meet up, us, we are not going to buy it. Everything is too clear, guys. And I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finishes. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator here, it touched here the overbought, it fell down till that level here. And if you remember that downtrend, that one also withdrew it because of the divergence. Now what it's showing to us here, and I told you yesterday here, what did I told you here? I told you even if it's break, there is no power to stay here in that place, whereas the bears, they controlling. Yes or no? Now when it came and breaking here and the unemployment rate of USA came, look what it done. It's going higher, guys. Why? Why the unemployment is doing that big impact? That is going to say next week the inflation of USA is going to come a little bit lower than the previous one, guys. Before even if it came. That's what me are telling you guys. The only thing now it's still catching the inflation to get lower and lower in USA is the housing sector. The housing, they need to find a solution for it. Everything is too clear? So our indicator now here, also now here, we go back to the level where is the bulls, the controlling, guys. And also we enter from here, from down, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, same thing, guys. What did I told you here? I told you we used to be here at the overbought area and we used to be here in a stronger level. But that level till now, it's still very, very stronger. Till now, it hasn't been broken, guys. Look at it. Yes or no? And look here at that flag I'm talking about. Look at it here. How is it very, very clear here, guys? Look at it. You came like that. You came from here to here. Now, if that candle here breaking, you bring that line here, that one. And you put it here in that level here, guys. So we are going to go till 23k. So we are going to break that level here and we're going to go till 23k, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to us. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, what did I told you here? I told you we got here a double bottom, guys. Yes or no? I told if it's breaking the top of it here, we will enter. Where did it break? Here. If you enter from here till here, guys, all of you make very, very, very nice profit today, guys. And by the way, that one me, I make it in British pound and in the Bitcoin. Yes, me, I trade it in CFD because in CFD, I don't enter in that interest rate I need to pay because in the brokers of spots like Binance and Bybit, you need to pay interest rate. Instead of this, there is no interest rate. That way may use them. And me, I take all that, guys. I take it from here, exactly here, till the top here, guys. And even in the British pound, I do the same thing, because the British pound, it do the same thing, guys. Now here, what you need to do, guys, here in 30 minutes. Look here at that level where we are, at a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? It came to it. It's showing there a rejection, guys. Yes or no? And tomorrow and after tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, you know there is no big volume, guys. The market is going to stay here sideways. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys, for us to make a decision where we are going to go. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying. Also, we enter here to the overbought area, yes or no? And you remember yesterday I showed you here, we got a divergence here. I show you all those things before all the things are happening. And you can find it still in our channel. The last videos, all those things are explained there. Now, where we are, guys. Our indicator here is at the overbought. Bitcoin here, it touched that stronger supply and demand zone here. And it's showing there a rejection. Should you enter short? No, my friend. There is no price action here in that place, indicating for us we need to enter short. It's need at least to give us a double bottom or something here to give us a flag or something here for us to enter short. And I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finishes, my friend, because it might from here that one to come back and to break for us that last high. And all that fun just a resting, my friend. That's why me I told you it's not here to think of to enter short, my friend. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.